Hey guys, OnePlus 8 series is going to launch next month and all the users are super excited for the OnePlus 8 series. I'm also super interested in this upcoming series, particularly the OnePlus 8 Pro. Now the OnePlus 8 Pro will be the flagship device from OnePlus and every user seems to be waiting for its arrival. Recently, we got our first live look at the OnePlus 8 Pro and it's exactly what I was expecting. So let's talk about all this, but before that, if you are watching the video on this channel for the first time, then subscribe to the channel and also press that bell icon so that I can give you all the future updates related to OnePlus 8 Pro. So with that, I am Raj and now let's get in. So here's the image which gives us good look at the OnePlus 8 Pro's back panel. It's exactly similar to the back panel shown in renders. This back panel is a little different from previous OnePlus devices. Here we can clearly see a quad camera setup. There are 3 sensors placed vertically just like the OnePlus 7T Pro, but there's a 4th camera sensor placed on the left of this triple vertical camera setup. It could be a 3D TOF depth sensor, and there's also a small vertical line that can be seen below this 4th sensor. It could be containing some additional sensors. To the bottom of this device, we have OnePlus branding followed by 5G logo. This confirms that OnePlus 8 Pro will have 5G connectivity. Apart from it, the back panel is exactly similar to that of the OnePlus 7T Pro, so no big design changes here. This smartphone is also rumored to get wireless charging support and NFC. To the front, we will get a Quad HD Plus AMOLED display panel with 120Hz refresh rate. It will be the smoothest display in a OnePlus device. This display will be similar to the OnePlus 7T Pro but with one change. This smartphone will not have any type of notch or pop-up mechanism. This display will get a small punch hole at the top left corner of the display. This punch hole will contain the front camera. So this was all about the actual device. Talking about the release date of OnePlus 8 Pro, OnePlus will be launching the OnePlus 8 series in China via online launch event. Due to coronavirus outbreak in China, OnePlus 8 Pro will be launched in China via online event. Talking about its global release, soon after its Chinese launch, OnePlus will conduct an offline launch event of the OnePlus 8 series. So the OnePlus 8 series is coming really soon, so click that subscribe button to get all the OnePlus 8 series coverage. With that, we're at the end of this video. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then like the video. If you didn't like it, you know what to do. If you have any questions regarding this topic, then feel free to ask them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as you leave and also press that bell icon so that you will be the first one to watch my videos. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I am Raj and I will see you guys in my next video.